Welcome back to Teacher Low class, and this is a discussion for Booklet 3, Fraction, Ratio, and Percentage. And we're looking at page 33, question number 10. Now, here basically is the questions related about pens. So feel free to just read through it quickly so that I can discuss quickly. Now, here basically mentioned that Mr. Ng had some red pen, blue pens, and green pens. So you can just write down the ratio here, red, blue, and this green. And here say the red to blue is 2 to 3. So it's 2 to 3. And blue to green is 9 to 7. And this is the concept of ratio of three quantities. And what you need to do is basically times 3 to make it the same. So that you here will become 6, 9, 2, 7. And let's look at the question here. After he gave away some green pens, now he gave away some green pen, I don't know how many, and bought 26 blue pens. So I bought 26 blue pens. And the total number of blue pens and green pens decreased by 25%. So basically means that because of the actions here that we have made here 26 plus 26 minus something, it causes the 25% decrease. Okay? And here says what? In the end, the total number of red pens, blue pens, and green pens left is actually 576. Means that now the total here in the end is 576. Now, the very important point that you need to solve this is you need to understand the concept that actually the changes made is under blue and green only. So red actually doesn't affect anything. So actually you can just write down here is 6 also. Is it correct? It's 6 also. But what should we do next? The next thing you need to notice is how can we get the ratio here? And can we get the ratio here, blue and green? We might cannot find blue and green individually, but we can find it as a whole. Look at here. I have 9 here and I have 7 here. Means that 9 plus 7 give me 16, right? And I notice 16 decreased by 25%. If I say decreased by 25%, means that the leftover will be here. So let's find out how many units it actually decreases. So 25% I know is 25 over 100. And I know the ratio is, the fraction is 1 to 4. So let me just times 4 here, times 4 here. Here become 4 over 16. Now, if I look at this, you need to recognize that this 16 is representing this 16. Means that out of the 16 unit that I have at first, I've actually minus, can you see that? This is a minus. I minus away the 4 unit. So 16 minus 4, I know what it left is actually 12 unit. Means that out of 16 unit, I minus the 25% is actually 4 unit and left is 12 unit. So 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. So the 18 unit is representing that 576. And of course, we can find 1 unit is equal to 576 divided by 18, and that's 32. And what should we do next? Yes, we found that 1 unit is equal to 32, but what that 1 unit can help us to do? That 1 unit actually can help us to recognize this. Don't forget that we have this minus 4. Means that we actually can find out how many pens that actually we give away. So 1 unit is equal to 32. So 4 unit is equal to 32 times 4. And that's equal to 128. Which means that just now we say minus 25%. It actually means that we minus 128 pens. So if we know that even I plus 26, it will result in minus 128, means that initially what I give away here, is actually more than what I lose. So to know how many green pens did he give away, which is this question mark here, basically I just need to use 128 plus 26. then the answer is actually 154 green pens. And we are done with this question. Okay. So this question might be somehow a bit tricky, but you feel free to watch it again and try to watch it slowly and watch it again and again so that you can digest and understand the question better. And of course, if you still don't understand, feel free to ask me in class. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.